Hi everyone, welcome to the UXC. I have an exciting news to share with you. Everybody in the UX fields knows about the Figma. So Figma brings their major conference to the Asia Pacific region for the first time, and it's coming to Singapore. And to my company, IFS, I got the opportunity to be there in person along with lots of experienced designers, product designers and lot more around the world. So the Config 2024, the Asia Pacific Region Conference will take place on 2nd of July 2024 at Marina Bay Sands Convention Center, Singapore. I'm also super excited because this is my first visit to Singapore as well. So once I'm back, I'm looking forward to share all the experience, insightful information with you all. So subscribe to the channel UXC and hit the bell icon if you don't want to miss any of the valuable content. Keep in touch. See you soon.